Hello there, and to all who come to this happy place, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Abby and I upload Disney planning content here on my channel every day for the month of October. So today we have checked into Beach Club Resort, which is a combo deluxe resort and Disney Vacation Club resort. So we are Disney Vacation Club members, so we are staying in the villas. We are in a deluxe studio this time, but I'm also gonna get you guys a tour of a 2-bedroom villa, hopefully. So those are gonna be 2 separate videos here on my channel, so make sure to subscribe if you wanna see the 2-bedroom villa. We did a 2-bedroom villa over at Contemporary in July, and it was amazing. So I'm really excited to see the Beach Club one, but let me show you guys around. So you come into this front entryway here, and then we have a little kitchenette over here, and you see you have a mini fridge there. There's the trash under there, and then the sink, microwave, and usually there's a toaster. Let's see. Yep, toaster. And then disposable dishes. And of course, coffee pot with Joffrey's coffee. And then if you come all the way in, we have, it sleeps 5. So we have a queen bed here, a queen pull-out sofa, and then this folds down into one of those table beds. So here is the queen size bed. And then this folds out. This is super easy to move, not with one hand, but it is easy to move, I promise. And then we have a nice little patio. And we have an Alicia and a Kendra. They were hiding behind me the whole time. And then this is some storage. Nice. And then to pull this bed down, you push this button and pull this lever, and then you push that button over there and pull down that lever. Super easy. Should we show them? Would you guys like to be my lovely assistants?
Yeah. Oh, sure. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Here, scoot those papers. Kaylee and I did that one in Boardwalk. We didn't move them. Cute. And then you get to sleep with Donald. Adorable. Love it. And then of course you have your flat screen TV there on the wall. And when you walk in, it's got the schedule for all of the parks. So honestly, that about does it for the, oh no, I didn't show you the bathroom. Hold please. Okay, so this is the little dressing area. There is a nice shelf down there for storage. This is a closet. Our stuff is hiding in here currently. Extra pillows and blankets up there, one for the bed that pulls down, one for the queen size sleeper sofa, ironing board, and then there is of course a safe, and then here is the bathroom. So you got a toilet, obviously, and then a shower and a bathtub.
Oh yeah.
So most of the outlets also have USB ports, which is super helpful, as well as the regular plugs. You've got your thermostat over there where you can adjust your temperature. Fun fact that I actually heard, I think I heard it on TikTok to be honest, most of the hotel thermostats, I don't know if this goes for Disney, but most hotel thermostats are not real. It gives you the illusion that you can control the temperature in the room and then you feel cooler or warmer depending on how you adjust it. I don't know if that's true. It's just like a conspiracy theory from hotel TikTok, I guess. I'm not on hotel TikTok. I don't know where that came from, but anyway. We also have the remote is sterilized and wrapped to show as such. But there's not really a ton to show you in here. It's just, you know, a deluxe studio. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We really like Beach Club so far. We haven't done too much exploring, but we are going to get ready to go down to Stormalong Bay because I am super excited. I have thought of nothing else for a couple months since we booked this. So, Stormalong Bay, for those of you that don't know, has a sandy bottom to the pool. It has a lazy river. It has a really long, it's like 203 or 243 foot long water slide, which is insane. So, and I think it comes out of a pirate ship. I know there's a pirate ship involved somewhere. We've never stayed here before, so I'm very excited if you couldn't tell. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I am uploading content hopefully every single day of October. And it'll all be Disney. So, see you in my next video. Bye!